Hi, I'm Nate with Faster Hot Water, and today I'm going to show you how our systems operate and how easy it is to get hot water faster to your faucets. That's it. That's how you activate all of our systems. The base models of the base kit, those will all be activated via your faucet. Any hot water faucet will turn on the system. For return line plumbing, it will be a little bit slower because your pump isn't running 24/7, which we don't really want. There's no need to have hot water at every hour of every single day, so we don't need that pump going all that time. It's incredibly wasteful from an energy standpoint. While it does save on hot water, your electrical bill will spike. So even if you're on solar, it just consumes unnecessary energy. And if you're on propane, that's a lot of propane going to heating water that you're not actually using. For dead-end systems, you will actually have a decreased wait time, which is due to the fact that when you run your faucet, you have an aerator at the end of your faucet that will restrict the flow of water to a certain gallon per minute. And generally speaking, if you have newer faucets, they're relatively low flow. If you have multiple bridge valves, we can actually increase the flow rate exponentially and decrease your wait time even further. If you want to know a little more about the specifics of these systems, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact info is on fasterhotwater.com, where we'd love to help you out. I'm Nate. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'd love to hear from you. Have a good day.